Hello! In this demonstration, I'll show you how to compare guidelines using the Oracle Document Editor. This is part of the Oracle SOA Suite for Healthcare Integration solution. Here we're on the Start page of the Document Editor. We're going to use the Migrator to compare a guideline we created earlier to a standard guideline. So let's open the Migrator. First, we'll select the standard guideline. We'll leave the default of From the Database checked. We want to compare an HL7 guideline, and we'll navigate down to the Transaction Standard. We'll expand this one and select this standard. And now we'll go to the next page. Now we'll select our guideline that we earlier created with the Document Editor. So we'll select From a Guideline File, and here's our guideline. Note that the Migrator only supports .ecs files. We'll go to the next page. We'll leave comparison options at the default to ignore white space, to always show the differences between nodes, and to compare nearly all properties except for notes. And on to the next page. We'll also leave the defaults for migration options and match options. Now we're ready to run the comparison, so let's finish. And here we can view the differences between the standard guideline on the left and our guideline on the right. These red icons indicate where the differences are. So let's take a look at a couple of these. Here we can see the software segment has been excluded in our guideline. And also, if we expand this patient result and follow the red icons down, we can see these new ZLR segments that were added. So the Migrator shows differences between guidelines in this visual way, so you can decide what, if any, of the differences should be applied. Now let's produce a report of our comparison. And you can see all the different publishing options. In this case, we'll choose HTML. Let's give it a name. And we'll finish. Now let's open the report. And here you can see a summary of the changes made in our guideline. So that's it for comparing guidelines in the Oracle Document Editor. For more information on Oracle SOA Suite for Healthcare Integration, please visit the Oracle Learning Library and watch other videos in this series. And also visit the Oracle Technology Network. Thanks for watching.